are going to draw and color envelope which starts from the letter E. So the things we need are an eraser, a pencil, a black sketch pen, a scale and some colors. So first we will take a scale and we will draw a vertical line. We are going to make a rectangle. So it will be 2 vertical lines and 1 horizontal and 2 horizontals. Like this. Now we are going to draw 2 diagonal lines. And they will be joined by a curved line. Now we are going to make 2 diagonal lines like this, joining the 2 corners. Like this. Now we will outline with a black sketch pen. Now we have outlined our envelope. Now we will color. I am going to take a little darker yellow. I am going to color it. And now our envelope is ready. An envelope is used to put greeting cards or letters inside it. Thank you.